Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is going to be a shorter video. I'm still working on the language hub docs. I made some changes, so let's actually go to the browser first and I'll show you the current version we have right now of the docs and the changes I made. So let's read the docs. It's so nice just having this there ready to go, and the time it actually took me to actually get this ready. So currently at present you've got this getting started and you have this about. What I then decided to do, because there were things that were missing, was a roadmap, licenses, code of conduct, and then just moving things around. So that's what I did. And this is the layout we have in my code editor right now. So at the start, we've got why, which explains why the language hub, why this project. We have the getting started, then the FAQ. Then afterwards, we've got conventions. This is just general rules. They're very light and stuff about things that are expected, not expected, but things that nice to have when you contribute. Then the contribution guides, and then the roadmap, the code of conduct, and all that. Now I'm speaking too much. Let me actually show you what that is now in real time. Oh yes, I know. Thank you for not bothering me anymore about the version being out of date. I know. So the changes, yes, I fixed my my typo here. Of course I did that, so these go to the different contribution stuffs. Now if we go getting started, what we have now, we've got the welcome, of course, which is the project we're on. Then the why this project, this explains the reason for this project, yada 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 yada. You all can read this. I am going to remember to put the links in the description. I constantly forget to do that. Okay, we've got frequently asked questions. Why? Who is this for? What kind of contribution do we like? So who is this? Anyone? What kind of contributions? Too many areas? Do I need to be? Of course not. Anyone can help. Who can start adding? Then this just links you to the different contribution stuffs. But then let's go to conventions. Conventions, this just lays out what each of the front matter fields mean, what they're for, and why they're important. According to, just like I said, as always, I'm not strict about contributions, because at the end of the day I am going to approve the pull request, and during that approval I'm going to make the necessary changes if need be. So it's very light. It's not as stringent as something like other bigger projects. It's a very small project. The contribution guides, how to contribute, same thing. It links out to these two areas. Actually I should change this order because code is first, like in the thing, in the tree, in the file tree in my thing, because I constantly put language first, because this is more important for me to have this than this, because the code is working fine. Yes, it could need improvements, but this is more important, so I'm going to change this order. So this comes first, like the language contribution comes first. So just following the flow of the thingy. Here's code contributions, just told you where the code files are, within features, within layouts, pages, within utils. That's where the main changes are. A little bit about that, what I'm looking for. Issues, to report an issue, this links to the GitHub. Yeah. And then not sure where to start, and then we check again, or check for the open issues, which is the page that I showed you guys last time. We can actually open this. That takes you to the GitHub page with the open issues and some of the stuff. So I cleared some of these because they were done. This changelog, I tried doing this before, and it's very annoying with the way I write commit messages that every single change it would bump a version. So I let go of it. So I think I'm going to pause this one specifically. Documentation page, this one is done. It's actually marked this is done. Say docs alive. Docs alive. Let's close this with a comment. This one's been closed. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's better. At least I like how GitHub now updated that if you close an issue it updates, because before you needed to reload it a bunch of times. So these are the main issues that are here right now. I'm going to add some later. Right now we're focusing on docs and stuff. So yeah, reporting an issue, same thing here. I might need to okay, right. anyway, as I was saying, so language contributions, I think I showed you this page last time that shows you exactly where you're supposed to go and the general structure you're supposed to follow. This sort of like repeats the convention stuff, but it's always good. Roadmap again, it leads to, actually, now that I think about it, there is a project. This is linked to a project. Let's link to the project instead of the issues. Yes, that's better. That's a better place to link out, because this is more better for roadmap. So let's copy this one instead. That is roadmap. Yeah, so we're gonna link to that, and I'll come back. We'll just continue. That's then the code of conduct. This is the same thing that is in the repo. I just copied that, as well as the license. This is under a GPL license for reasons. Yeah, so the license is a GPL license. So these are the changes I made. It's just going to be light updates, and then we're going to end the video. I don't have much to do today. So what I am actually going to do is come to contribution here. Then your order needs to be 11. Then you need to be 12. So language is first for my own sanity. Then we said we need to update Control KS. That's save. We need to correct roadmap. So instead of going to issues, it goes to the okay. Oh yeah. Oh, there is a link for the project board. So this actually goes here instead. So boom, right there. Okay, I think that is better. That's a better place to lead people to. Project board on GitHub. Let's just do some stuff. That's where issues are planned. I just want to update. What else do I need to update? The conventions, maybe some stuff in conventions. Anything? Yeah. Most of this is fine. I think for now this is a good stopping point. While we then work on doing more on what's it called, comrades. Okay, contribute. That's much better. That's better order, and generally I like it. I like where we're at right now. If we were to go back home, this is the main. Maybe I might make it the same color. I don't know. I'm now just picking and choosing unnecessarily. But yeah, maybe to have the dogs have the same color of the background. Yeah, that's a future thingy. Okay. Yeah, we're fine. I'm happy. Generally, I'm happy. I'm happy with where it's at right now. Just push it out there to the people and hope and pray that we get more contributors. So that being said, let's push some changes, and I think this is the last time I will be working in the master branch. I'm going to switch to a different branch afterwards, so I can do the actual flow, the GitHub flow that's supposed to be done correctly. It's status. Okay, we can commit everything. Git commit. This is feature update docs. Then push these changes. And yeah, that's it. That's all I really wanted to do. This was a very short video. I don't have much for today. I will be back with you guys in the next video where we actually go back and tackle the modals on Comrade. That's all. Bye. Signing out.